Hey guys, today I've got my sister with me and she has her baby and they are playing over there.
He's a little older than a baby.
A little older than a baby. But like I say, bring your babies, bring your friend babies, and let's get baking or cooking. Today we're going to be making sausage and peppers, and then we're going to be making banana muffins. Yes, I'm on a banana kick, but hey. And this channel is going to be gluten-free because I'm gluten-free and I'm doing the dinners and the baking, and I'm in the kitchen. So unless Chris is here, I'm mostly doing the cooking. Grab your pan. Oh, that was good. Thanks. So you're going to grab your pan, oil it up with coconut oil. You're going to grab your nuts. I'm only going to take out a couple of walnuts. Out of here, you're going to need cinnamon, an apple and a half. We've got some organic raisins like we did before. They're from our local store. Brown sugar, you can use coconut sugar. Our coconut sugar pretty much exploded and then condensed because I didn't know how to store it properly. We've got baking powder. Get your rolled oats. And then for the sausage and peppers, pick your meats. We've got Louisiana brand hot links. Extra hot. Oh, I didn't see that. Get your full onion. Figure out your pasta. You can put it over here. Yeah. Figure out your pasta. I'm going to use 2 bags of cauliflower. I'm going to use the rest of our spinach, all these bell peppers, and zucchini. So I'm in a little bit of a rush, or I feel like a little bit of a rush, so I'm going to use a food processor, which is Chris's Ninja over there. First off, let's oil this pan up. Grab your paper. We're going to be using coconut oil. You can actually pick your oil of choice, like I said in the previous videos. Last time I used olive oil because we have the spray. We do have the spray over there, but I'm going to use coconut oil and just line your baking sheets. So I'm going to give you a teaspoon. Here, just pop yours off. Does it do that?
That's called ironclad.
Let's just make a mess.
Oh, there you
What my little baby doing?
go.
Come on. Yeah. You just walk so far.
Really? He's walking further and further now.
He'll walk far without falling down if he thinks you're going to catch him.
Really?
He doesn't worry. Otherwise, he just plans on taking 2 steps and falling safely.
Oh. 1 cup, guys.
Oh my
That
goodness.
calculated risk.
What?
You're
We'll
quite
pop some muffins
a,
in and then we're going to get to
you
dinner.
got quite a project going here, huh?
Yep.
And we're filming the whole thing.
Yep.
Brittany likes to film everything she does.
Now I like filming.
And then it's funny too, because then she watches other people do like their household chores.
No, I don't. I actually stopped that.
Like I'm folding laundry right now, guys. Yeah, gotta do all this laundry. We're gonna fold it and we're gonna put it away.
It's the way, is it the way they do it, the finesse?
Ooh, I didn't know that.
Teaspoon,
Mixed nuts.
teaspoon baking powder.
Yay.
Cinnamon challenge?
That's funny, I was thinking the exact same thing when you saw that cinnamon. I was about to say done that? I take it you've done that?
No.
You tried it?
No.
That's all done.
That looks just
And then
gruesome.
dry ingredients.
You like get some of your sinuses in your nose?
I'd like to get 2 eggs, please.
2 eggs, yeah, sure.
And then you just mix it, guys.
Those are all boxes I gotta take out right now.
Oh.
Didn't learn it from watching Mom.
So guys, you do 1/3 of raisins.
I'm just kidding. And he throws punches already too.
Really?
Oh yeah. He starts shadow boxing.
Hack.
What
No,
do you
I
want?
think his teeth still hurt. Is he trying to find something to chew on?
Trying something. These ones are so nice. These are Chris's special ones. I'm not supposed to touch them. Guys.
Chipmunk on your video. Take that puree, all that good stuff, pour it right in your sauce.
Looks like guacamole, but it ain't. It's a secret. So we've got that going on. That going on. We've got that. We are replacing noodles with cauliflower rice. And I'm going to start cleaning up. So we will see you in a bit. So you see how golden brown they are, and see how the apples have changed. Sorry that this isn't too much in focus, but and this right here is all the puree, all of the sauce, cauliflower rice for the pasta. So just get your pasta and then have a great dinner. I'm not going to do too much else, but thanks, Ashley. See ya. Have a good one. Enjoy your meals. And tag us on Instagram if you guys do decide to do these. It was kind of a little bit of a Chris takeover and Mama Ashley takeover. So let me know what you guys think. Have a good one. Alright guys, so everything's ready. They're eating. So this is cooled down. So you take a spoon and you just scoop them out.